Welcome back. Seems like Daboli terminal may be commissioned by end of December or by January. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar along with the airport officials will inspect the Daboli airport on Thursday. Commissioning date of the new terminal will be finalized thereafter.
Airport does not come directly under me. तांचे जर रेडी जाल्यार जावंक शकता. आमी ग्रेड सेपरेटर टेंडर केला. आमची सगळी तयारी जातली बाय जानेवारी फेब्रुवारी. ते करूंक शकता. फक्त तो पर्यंत इलेक्शन कोड येत जाल्यार उद्घाटन जावचें ना. वापर सुरू उद्घाटन कित्याक जावंक जाय रे. वापर सुरू जालो की जालो न्ही.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had made this statement on 27th October, hinting commissioning of new terminal by December or January. Chief Minister, along with the Airport Authority official, has scheduled an inspection of the airport and new terminal on Thursday morning. CM will draw down changes required for commissioning of new terminal. Sources say other issues like landing of wide-bodied aircraft will also be discussed. Meanwhile, former PWD Minister Churchill Alimau feels happy that former CM Luisin Falero and MP Francisco Sardina have realized their mistake of backing Mopa Airport.
And support kor paile amun Daboli airport I am happy. In 1999 Luisin Falero Chitna Stona Mopa airport Zamon North Goa airport Zamon sign mali letter from Jatia. From Janna Dogoi Central Gale. And after they got a parent Baba Churchill Santal de Salimon. And I was happy. Dogani Manu Milbun Daboli airport Tonak. And I'm about them where Dogoyata, Bar Pustaji, Dogani Temis Zoron, Omopa airport upon Gurpa.
With bureau inputs, Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Depot Sports Club won the Big Cone Derby against defending champions Churchill Brothers in the I-League on Wednesday. The Golden Eagles rode on JJ's goal to notch up only their second victory in the league this season. Meanwhile, Churchill Brothers are yet to win in the ongoing I-League and occupy the second last position in the 13-team league.
Tempo meanwhile had the ball with Gaboro Silva, who puts in JJ. Can he finish it? Yes, he can! JJ gets the lead for the home team. And the whole ball, everything was set up from Beto. Beautifully played in over here. He just dinks the ball past the defender. And JJ, which is keep the ball. They do, however, have to contend with Binish Balan, who turns the defender well, tries to find Machado, but maybe that was the wrong option. 1-2. There's a lot of space open on the left-hand side of the field. The shot comes in. Arindam Bhattacharya with a good save. Others, but this time, can there be a moment of brilliance? Decent shot and better save there by Chaudhary. Very good shot there by Binish Balan on the turn. One moment doesn't seem to be there. Alvin George now on for Clifford Miranda. He gets the ball back. Alvin George with a very, very tame shot. Surely this should be it for Churchill. And there's the final whistle by Santosh Kumar. Very, very well deserved. 3 points for Dempo. Beto, their player of the match, he set up the goal that JJ scored early in the first half, and that was enough to get all 3 points for Dempo.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.